Welcome to our Disney food vlog.
So in this vlog we're going to show you everything we ate whilst on our Disneyland Paris trip, so including meals and snacks. We've just arrived at Disney Village, so let's get started with McDonald's.
What was it, the veggie wrap? Goat's cheese.
Oh yeah, goat's cheese wrap.
Didn't have anything else vegetarian.
Well, they had a pasta dish, but...
Oh, yeah, it's like €10, isn't it?
Yeah.
You just get a basic piece of battered goat's cheese, I'm assuming.
Yeah, it's the verdict. Very goat's cheesy. Oh, I'd love that then. It's too much for you, innit?
I don't care about goat's cheese really, so the batter makes it better.
Yeah.
But needs more stuff. Yeah, so it has these cartons that they just take back, I assume, so they're all
Yeah, so you don't have much waste. Same with that as well.
which is really good.
Which is good. I don't actually know what happened. Petit Bouffe Deluxe. Looked like it had an interesting sauce on that we probably don't get in England, so I thought I'll give it a try. I don't actually know what it is.
Just looks like a regular burger.
Yeah.
They got a different sauce on it.
Yeah. Looks sort of peppercorny.
On them.
Right. Let's see. Really, taste the sauce.
Oh. Is it all nice or not?
I mean, the burger's nice, but yeah, that's a very mild sauce. I'd probably say I better with like the usual ketchup and mustard. That's got more of a kick, and this is really subtle. But you know, it's nice as a burger, so fills the hole.
Then you got nuggets. Are they spicy?
Yeah, because we don't get these in England, so I thought I'd try spicy McNuggets. And of course, you've got to get the curry dip, the best dip. We'll try it on its own first.
Yeah. Is it actually spicy?
It's not too spicy. Actually, yeah. Yeah, that's got...
Cake.
It's very spicy. It takes a while to kick in. I think... Yeah, I think I'd have normal ones in future. Fries, but they're always
Typical fries, yeah.
Can't beat Mackey's fries. So look what we've got for dessert. Chocolate pancakes. Oh my god.
Oh, I need a spoon.
That is going to be messy. You need a knife and fork for that.
Oh, like, can we not get one? I mean, this is like a breakfast, this.
Wow, good luck. Is it as good as it looks, or is it dry?
Crispy bits in there. You know, like Rice crispy bits, almost.
Oh yeah, you can see one there.
That is very sweet, though. Nice, though. It's weird eating a pancake sandwich.
Looks amazing. Oh yeah.
It's good, innit? It's so good.
That makes up for the main not being too amazing.
Yeah. So I wasn't that keen on my wrap. It was alright, but not the best thing ever. Sorry, there's a bird up there. The pancake though made up for it. Oh,
incredible.
We need that at our Mackey's.
We'd never go to McCafe, so maybe we do have it at home, but I don't think so. Never see it on the normal menu anyway, but yeah, that was incredible.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was bang average, but it was relatively cheap for Disneyland.
Yeah, I'd come back just to get some, because they do macarons as well. I'd come back to get that, but not the main thing. We do them at plan, so.
But all that was €24, so alright for some tea.
Yeah.
So the second thing we're trying at Disneyland Paris is Casa de Coco, so we're here for lunch. Let's try some burritos. So we've gone for chicken burrito and a vegan burrito, and we've just got a tea, which was half full. We've added a little bit of water to it to make it a full tea. Yeah. Oh, how much did all this cost again? Like €26?
25 or 26.
Yeah.
I think that's quite hot. It's massive though.
It's huge.
It's going to fill me up all day.
Good.
I'm not sure what's in it because you couldn't have a look, could you?
No, it didn't say what was in it. Is it like just veg?
I think so. And like those black beans with the sauce.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Last one.
Cheers on.
Okay, let's see what this chicken burrito is like. That is huge, isn't it? Look at that. That's like my head. Alright, here we go. That is heavenly. Oh yeah, it's so good. Got guacamole in it, which is lovely. Can't taste any sour cream so far, which is good because I'm not a massive fan of that. But yeah, really good. I think it's pieces of chicken. I don't know if I've got any chicken yet. I'll try a bit more. Yeah, I think it's chunks of chicken.
You sure there's not any black beans in it, like mine?
I can't see any black beans, which is annoying because I love black beans. They might be in there. That is good though. We'll definitely come back and have this. So next we are trying a cake pot. I'm so excited for this. Here we go.
Woohoo!
Ooh, looks amazing. Is it very sickly? It looks a bit sickly.
It's like a brownie covered with chocolate.
Let's have a look.
Very stodgy and rich. Yeah, you definitely don't need one of these each. You can share them.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait for this.
Good.
That's so stodgy, isn't it?
Hello.
Amazing though. I could probably have one to myself.
No,
but I'm greedy.
It's too sweet.
Yeah. I love that. So that was €5 for the cake pot. Tofu salad bowl.
Yeah, it's like tofu. It's got quinoa, noodles, salad, all sorts. Thought it'd be healthy after being unhealthy all day. It's okay, it's not got a lot of flavour.
Oh, so it's a bit bland then.
Yeah. Well, if you want something vegan or you want something that's healthy.
I didn't realise it had noodles in. I thought it was just salad. So hopefully it'll be filling.
It's not got many noodles in, to be fair.
Just bits.
Bits, yeah.
So it's not actually noodles.
No, I
it's
thought
like
it was.
shredded
Look.
cucumber, is
When
it?
you look at it, it looks like noodles, doesn't it?
Ah, yeah. Okay, no noodles then. Okay, so I've gone for the olive pizza. It's very, very cheesy. But I'm a sucker for anything with olives on it, so... You know, that's quite the chunk, innit? Right, let's see. That was a lot better than I thought it would be. That was really good. For that it was €14, which is quite a lot for a slice of pizza, but it is a big slice and it just tastes amazing, to be fair.
So this was $8.50. It's not too bad, you get a big bowl, but it is just salad at the end of the day. So, yeah.
So now we're going to try waffles. It's just outside, it's a Small World, it's just their little stall. We're going to give them a go and it's €5 each. So Amy's got the caramel, salted caramel I think it is. And I've gone for Nutella. Amy thinks I'm boring, but you can't go wrong with Nutella.
I'm going to it.
This is a bit awkward, isn't it? Is it soft?
Yeah?
Oh, good. I'm glad.
I'm sad it's not Mickey shaped though.
Yeah, we couldn't find a Mickey shaped one, but we definitely will try to tomorrow. It's had to make do with a orange shaped waffle. At least it's nice.
Yeah. This is swimming in Nutella.
Good.
Actual heaven.
It does look good. It's got loads on there.
Amazing.
Verdict?
I could eat 10 of them. Yeah, I prefer salted caramel over Nutella. I think it just stays warm. Like Nutella dries on it, doesn't it? If it gets cold.
Yeah, I'd still say Nutella though. It was beaut.
So on our second day now, and we're having lunch at Café Hyperion. I've got hamburger with a salad because I'm being good, because I'm having chips later, and a peach ice black tea. Something different. That's good.
Got sauce on it?
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit, yeah.
Gherkins as well. Nice flavour.
Because we might be having chips later, won't we? So that's why I've gone for that.
Yeah. But you don't care because you love your chips.
No.
This is the same kind of burger as McDonald's, isn't it?
Oh yeah, Beyond Meat.
Oh, it's cooked better, I think. It's more like smoky. I think it's been
nice.
smoked.
Sounds good.
And the sauce, it's pretty good as well. Gives it a nice flavour. Not sure about the roll though.
Oh, is it stale or just...
It's not stale, it's just, I don't know, it's something you'd have for your cheese sarnie on.
Yeah, like it's not a proper burger bun really. It doesn't look like one.
It'd be nice to have like a brioche or a seeded
Yeah.
one.
Especially for the price. What was it, €17 I think?
Yeah.
Yeah, for that. So I've gone for the exact same except I've got fried. Because although I'm not a vegetarian, I do like a good plant-based burger. So let's see. It's smoky, isn't it? Yeah, it's really good. It's just the back, the bread roll that's wetting it down a bit.
Yeah.
That is good. You've got to have mayo on your fries.
No ketchup. You done?
Mayo. Let us know in the comments which one, mayo or ketchup. Good.
So we're at Pizzeria Bella Notte. Hopefully to try a Mickey-shaped pizza.
Yeah, I think I'm going to have the meatballs, so let's go in and check it out.
Oh, look how cute.
Very cute. Love it.
And the garlic. It's a lot of bread.
A lot of bread. Oh yeah. Here's my meatballs. And garlic bread as well. What's it like? Is it very garlicky?
That's right.
Okay.
He's earless.
No. Good.
It's not the best pizza I've ever had. Okay.
Does it taste like an oven pizza, do you think?
No, yeah.
Yeah.
What is that?
How much was it again? Was it €18 or 17?
17.
Yeah, €17 for the meal. I think I'm gonna brave some chili oil. See how that goes. Right, let's see what the spaghetti and meatballs is like. Looks good. It's really good. It's got a bit of a kick to it because I put chili oil on it. But that's really nice. And with the garlic bread. Garlic bread's really good. Yeah, good meal. Definitely recommend it. And I think mine was like same price as yours, maybe.
I thought it was £1 more, wasn't it?
€1 more.
There you go.
Yeah, it's good.
So finished it pretty much. Well, it was nice, but I think the one that you had in Start Factory was better. Just because the crust was nicer, the cheese was nicer. But
Yeah, I'd agree. Even though I didn't try that Mickey one, but it just doesn't look as good, does it?
no, but it is Mickey shaped.
But
so,
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, swings and roundabouts.
Got some nice waffles. Because we couldn't find.
Vader.
Yeah, we did ask for Darth Vader, but we got Stormtroopers. We couldn't find Mickey ones anywhere other than a sit-down restaurant, so
Yeah,
we're having these. So, and it's outside Star Tours, is it? That's where we got it from.
Yeah, 5. Is it 5 for mine?
Yeah,
$5.50 for yours.
$5.50. Yeah.
Oh, especially me. Stormtrooper is good.
Nice and soft, yeah. Good.
Very soft. Nice.
Good.
Oh. Pigeons come in. He wants some Stormtrooper.
Uh-oh.
No.
God, there's too much of this Nutella.
Like it? Soft.
The waffles here are just so good, aren't they?
I know. It's nice and fresh.
Amazing. Love that.
So that was everything we ate during our 2 days at Disneyland Paris. We really enjoyed the snacks in particular. The main meals weren't of the highest quality, but unfortunately that's to be expected at Disneyland Paris. However, our favourite meal was the burrito at Casa de Coco, and would love to have that again. We'll be going back to Disneyland Paris at Christmas time, and we'll be sure to check out any Christmas themed food, so stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.